Hi girls and boys. So we're going to study about the third element, that is Agni, fire. The color is sky blue. And the finger which represents Agni is left index finger. The organ is liver and gallbladder, both pair organs. Endocrine gland is pancreas. The body holes is left eye. Sense organ is eyes. Energy is radiance or heat, basically heat energy. Tissues is blood, and included energies are sound, touch, and radiance. So, what are the functions of Agni, fire? It helps in absorption, assimilation, metabolism, perception, vitality, clarity, alertness, concentration, goal setting. All these are the functions of fire or Agni. If a person has too much fire in the body, they'll have burning sensation. Then there'll be numbness, like circulation issues, tingling sensation, or lack of nourishment. All these are because of more of Agni in the body. If a person is having low fire or Agni is low, अगर किसी के शरीर में अग्नि कम है तो उसको पुअर एपिटाइट होगा, उसको ज़्यादा भूख नहीं लगेगी, he'll be feeling heavy and lethargic. They have a decreased energy level. Energy will not be very good. उसको एनर्जी अपनी बॉडी में कम लगेगी, हमेशा थकावट लगेगी. And if there is imbalance, it can bring about the following conditions like gas, constipation, dry skin, cracking joints, sciatica, insomnia, then muscle spasm, cramps. All these are because of Vata type disorder. So whenever there's Vata, that means it's more of Agni. So when a person has a balanced state of fire element or Agni is in a balanced state, in that case the person will have passion, creativity, willpower will be very strong. Then it can even ward you off the darkness in your life, as its nature is brightness. Fire जो है वो bright है, अग्नि bright है, इसलिए जो ज़िंदगी में अंधेरा है उसको निकाल देता है. Its inherent tendency is to rise, ऊपर को जाता है. Once you give it enough of air element to mingle with it, it breaks all boundaries. So in case when the level increases, the fire level increases in the body, a person gets over emotional, agitated, उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है, ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो जाता है. It may lead to lots of weeping, excess of anger. गुस्सा बहुत ज़्यादा आएगा जो भी बंदे के अंदर फायर टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा होएगी. So what are the attributes at the physical level? Whenever you have more of Agni in the body, you will feel lots of heat in your body. Sometimes you will feel जैसे कोई ऊपर को कोई सर्ज होता है ना, ऐसे ऊपर को एनर्जी ऊपर को आ रही है, पूरी बॉडी में झुनझुनाहट सी फील होगी. ऐसा होगा अगर आपके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा अग्नि है तो. Now if you have heat in your kidneys, you will be prone to having stones because the water gets evaporated and the leftovers are the stones which you can see in your kidneys. And even in the case of gallbladder, if you have heat in your liver, you will be having tendency of having stones in your gallbladder too. Now black and white patches on skin including leukoderma are due to excess fire in the blood. Then maintain the physical state, color, texture, shape and structure of everything in the body including blood, skin, nails, hair, organs, bones, etc. A change in the physical state represents imbalance in Agni. If there is any change in the physical state of a person, that means there is some imbalance in the Agni. It maintains the glow and radiance on the skin and face. But yes, you will feel so brighter. If you have more of Agni in your body, your skin will have red glow. Then excess redness, inflammation represents excess fire. D-shaped organ, joint, bones are also because of Agni imbalance. Then blue, black, purple or white color changes depicts also Agni imbalance. At the physical level, it helps in proper digestion of food. It produces acidic substances to kill bacteria, remove virus and burn out waste toxins from the body. But in case of you having excess of fire or Agni in your body, which can create fast digestion and it can lead to acid in stomach. So indigestion is a result of less Agni. And if Agni is less, then food is not cooked and digested properly in the stomach. Because of that, it can lead to imbalance in body system and it keeps the body warm by maintaining proper circulation in the body. It could be blood circulation or circulation of nutrients, but lack of circulation or Agni leads to coldness of the body. If you see somebody has got glowing eyes, that shows that there is a balance of Agni in the person, because this is related to eyes. Agni or fire is related to the eyes. Fire accounts for another part of your elemental makeup, that is what kind of fire burns you within. Is it a fire of greed, hatred, anger, resentment, lust, love, or compassion? Now if you cleanse this element of fire, once again your physical and mental well-being will be taken care of. We can do the cleansing part. A simple process you can do to cleanse the fire within you is to get some sunlight every day. Though we have contaminated every other element, fortunately sunlight cannot be contaminated. It has remained pure since centuries, and we have to make best use of it. You can very well cleanse your system by just standing in the sun, exposed to the sun for some time, maybe 3 minutes a day. 3 minutes you can be facing the sun, and 3 minutes make sure that your spine is towards the sun. So that will easily cleanse your aura, and that will bring lots of positive energy and vibrations to your body. If standing in sun is not feasible, then you can light a lamp. First sit facing the lamp and then turn around and sit so that the fire element within you gets rekindled. Now a healthy tip for the people who have more of fire element in the stomach or in the body in general. A very simple thing which you can do it every day, and you can be saved from so many problems happening in the body. You just have to take a thick cloth or a towel. You can take a hand towel, put it in water, normal water, not cold or hot water, just normal water, tap water, and then wrung it around. उसको अच्छे से निचोड़ लो. एक towel लो, उसको normal पानी में डालो, उसको निकालो, उसको निचोड़ लो. Put that towel on your stomach for half an hour in the morning and half an hour in the evening every day. आप उसको अपने स्टमक पे रखो आधा घंटा सुबह और आधा घंटा शाम को हर रोज़. आप यही ऐसे ही 2 और टावल ले सकते हो, उनको भी गीला करिए, निचोड़िए. एक को अपने गले के आसपास डालिए और एक को अपने हेड के आसपास डालिए. आप 3 जगह पे हो सके तो प्रेफरेबली तीनों जगह पे रखिए, स्टमक पे, गर्दन पे और अपने माथे पे. नहीं हो सके तो एटलीस्ट स्टमक पे रोज़ रखिए. यहाँ तक कि एक लेडी थी जो कंसीव नहीं कर पा रही थी, 3 महीने में सिर्फ उसने गीला तौलिया रखा अपने पेट पे और उसने कंसीव कर लिया. क्योंकि हमारा जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है वो अच्छा हो जाता है. जैसे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन अच्छा होता है, हीट बॉडी में कम होनी शुरू हो जाती है और इससे हमारी आधी से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाती हैं.